Good morning, 3 class. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Stay home and stay safe. What is day today, students? It is Wednesday, 23rd December 2020. It's your maths period and today our topic is money. It's exercise 4. Today we will solve question number 3 to 5 on countdown books. So students, open your countdown books. Students, open page number 130. It's exercise 4. Today we will solve question number 3. Choose the correct answer from the given options. Look at this. It's A part. Rupees 20 plus rupees 50 plus 5 rupees. How many total? It's 20 plus 50 is 70. 70 plus 5 is 75. So what is answer? It's rupees 75. B part is rupees 319.05 can be written as it's rupees 319 and 50 pesos, rupees 319 and 5 pesos, rupees 3190 and 5 pesos, rupees 31905. Students, as I have told you before point it is rupees and after point it is pesos. Now look at this, is 319 rupees, rupees 319, and is it 50 pesos? No, it's not 50 pesos. Is 3190? No, it's 319 and 319 rupees and 5 pesos. So which is correct answer? It's rupees 319 and 5 pesos. It means B is correct. Now how many 20 rupees notes make rupees 500? Now students, now let's check it. 5 0 0, 5 2s are 10. Now we multiply 2 with 0, it's 0, and 2 2s are 4. Now we will add these two values. It's 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, and 1 plus 4 is 5. So the answer is 500. So it means how many 20 rupees notes make 500? It's 25. How many 20 rupees notes makes 500? It's 25. So which is correct answer? It's 25. Now D part is rupees 216.00 plus rupees 10.09 is equal to. Now we will add these two values. Students, look at this. When we add 216.00 and 10.09, it's 0 plus 9, it's 9. 0 plus 0, it's 0. Now we put point here. It's 6 plus 0, it's 6. And 1 plus 1, it's 2. And 2 as it is. So what is answer? It's 226.09. 226.09. So what is right answer? Is 226.9? No, 226.09. It's correct. Now it's rupees 92.00 divided by 10 is, options are rupees 920.0, rupees 9.20, rupees 9200 and rupees 92,000. Students, before solving the question, understand some basic concepts of multiplication and division. It's multiply money the same way as we multiply numbers, but always remember to add the point two places from the right. Look at this. When we multiply it with 3, we add the point two places from the right. So it's 22.05. Understand? 22.05. Here we have point 7.35. After two digits we have points, so we also put point in the two places. After two places it's 22.05. Students, look at this. In the question here we have after one value digit we have point, but in the answers we have after two digits point. Okay, and now it's division. Divide money the same way as we divide numbers. Remember to add the point two places from the right to show rupees and pesos in the answer. Look at this. We add point two places from the right. It's 1.20. It means rupees 1 and pesos 20. So when we divided it with 10, The answer is rupees 9.20. Rupees 9.20. So let's look at this. When we divide it, 10 nines are 90. And now 2 minus 0 is 2. Now we have 0 here. It's 10 twos are 20. 20 minus 20 is 0. Now this